And we're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show you the quote tag. It defines a short quotation, and browsers usually add the quotation marks by default. So let me just show you an example. I create a new paragraph. I paste a quote from Oscar Wilde. For now it just looks like regular text. And now I'll add the Q tag right here, and I end it after Oscar Wilde. And we've got these quotation marks added by default. The Q tag doesn't have any specific attributes, but as always you can add the global ones to it. And this is all there is to know about the quote tag in HTML. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.